Welcome everybody to this beautiful day. We're going to be cutting a tree down here. I'll bring you guys along with us today. I'll show you guys what we got going on. We got this tree right here. We're going to be taking down. She's in rough shape. All the woodpeckers have gotten into it. So we're gonna cut this up. I'll show you guys. You can see it's all dry, it's all dead. It's in an apartment building. All right, we'll get this all fixed up. I'll show you guys as we go along here. Hope you guys enjoy this. Alright, so that's how you take it down. She's all gone. We're just picking up the wood. Gonna put it in the truck. We're gonna call it a job. Head over to the next one. Alright, we just got the next one. Crazy one. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Look how she's crooked. I'll go show you guys from the other side what's going on. All gone. Nothing's left. We left that stump there. There's a steel rod in it. So we have no choice but to leave it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys next one. Adios, amigos.